Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Password and Security. After that, tap on Face section at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, choose Continue, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now select Done at the bottom and adjust all of those options however you wish to. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!